Hello everyone, welcome back. I have a few users who wanted me to do a test of the Hover-1 transport, so I decided to put a video together. I had the scooter for about 3 months now, and it's been working great. First of all, I want to point out, if you want a strong and fast scooter, this is not the one for you. This one will be most suitable for kids and teenagers. I purposely bought this scooter so that when I have kids over, they can ride along. Enough said, let's go ahead and test the scooter out. I weigh 150 pounds, but the 200 watt motor can get me up to speed within a few seconds. The scooter will only display the max speed of 10 miles per hour on the LCD display, but according to the GPS app I use, I managed to get up to 12 miles per hour. Overall, there's not much to expect from the ride experience. Everything is pretty basic. You have the on and off button and the start and brake lever. There's no additional feature as light, tail light, or cruise control. Without any suspension, you will feel the smallest crack or bumps on the road. The front wheels are similar to those of the traditional kick scooter, so it does not have any grip at all. This scooter is dangerous on wet terrains and you can lose control easily if you're not careful. The scooter brake is nothing special. You have two braking options, which is the electronic and manual brake. The e-brake is quite weak and doesn't give you the stopping power you need to stop quickly. The manual back brake works better and will give you a shorter stopping distance if you need to. Other than being electric, the comfort of the ride is very similar to the traditional kick scooter. It will be a bumpy ride, but yet it's perfect and small enough to zip quickly through the neighborhood for some fresh air. Since the day I bought it, it's been my workhorse. It is light and small enough to easily carry downstairs, so I've been using it to help me transport grocery and heavy stuff like rice and water from the parking lot to the apartment. Did I mention it's very useful in taking out the trash? It has made my job easier and has cut the time in half. I decided to take the scooter out for a quick run on a full charge. The scooter did pretty good as far as range is concerned. I was able to get about 4.5 miles out of the full charge while going at a constant speed of 10 miles per hour. The scooter performed decent on pavement for something with no suspension and hard rubber tires. But if you're looking for something to cruise on so you can relax and enjoy the scenery, then this is not the one. The only thing you will get from this is just a very bumpy and noisy ride. The scooter is not designed for off-roading, so performance is terrible, and I would not recommend it. You will feel every inch of bump and uneven surfaces of the road, and the scooter will vibrate like there's no tomorrow. With the small front wheel, if you hit any soft dirt, the scooter may send you flying. Unless you want to fly and eat some dirt, I would stay away from off-roading with this scooter. I was extremely careful when recording this. The scooter did struggle at first at this incline, but it was able to keep a constant 10 miles per hour until the incline got higher. At one point it was at 5 miles per hour. That's when I suggest you might as well start walking with the scooter. I wasn't satisfied with the 4-mile range of the scooter, so I went ahead and opened up the scooter to see what I can do. The stock battery was a 7S2P battery pack with a total of 14 batteries. I removed that and I added my own 7S4P battery pack while using the stock BMS. This was my first time working with BMS, so this is not the cleanest setup. The scooter didn't come with headlight or tail light, so while I had the scooter open, I also added headlight and tail light to the battery pack on the scooter for night riding. After the battery upgrade, I decided to take the scooter out for another test. Speed was the same, but the scooter managed an impressive total range of 10.5 miles. It was more than what I expected out of the small scooter, especially with all the battery jam-packed into the scooter. Now this scooter is ready for a longer trip around the neighborhood without having to worry about your battery dying on you. And also now it can provide hours of riding time for my niece and nephew when they come over. Overall, the Transport is a small scooter with limited features. It's perfect for kids or teens that just need the very basic of an electric scooter. Do I recommend this scooter? If you already consider the underlying spec about this scooter, then yes, the scooter is solid and does perform to what the manufacturer claimed. Like I mentioned before, it's best suitable for kids and teens who are starting to get into electric scooter. Or if you're like me, this could be your grocery getter or trash taker. You decide. So this is it. The remainder of the video is just raw footage of the scooter for those who want to see. Other than that, thanks guys for watching. I have many more videos that'll be posted up soon, so don't forget to subscribe if you have not. I'll see you soon.